Welcome to the class, student. In the chapter soil, we are learning more about the soil. First, we know that the topmost layer of the earth is only known as soil. Okay, soil is the topmost layer of the earth, and to form a 1-inch layer of the soil, it takes thousands of years. Means it is very slow process. Formation of soil is very slow process. Children, you can see soil everywhere, on road, in field, in garden. But do all soil are of same type? You go and search it, okay? And when you are going to a different place also, like from Jharkhand you went to the Maharashtra or Madhya Pradesh or Delhi, you will find that there are having a different type of soil. Their garden soil is of different type. So varieties of soil is found in this world. Okay? Varieties of the soil, many soil, because soil depends upon a parent's rock. We have seen now that soil is formed from the rock only. By breaking down of the rock only soil formed. Sun is hitting, rain is cooling, continuous heating and cooling breaks down the rocks, and then it converts into a soil. Okay, so soil depends upon their parent rock from where it formed, and all the rocks are of not same types. They are having different component. Okay, so soil is also having different components. So varieties of soil is formed in this world, but in this class we will discuss about only 3 common types of soil. Okay, commonly we have divided soil into 3 categories, and that only we will discuss here. What the 3 categories here? Clayey soil, okay, sandy soil and loamy soil. Okay, these are the common types of soil. So soil are of 3 types. When anyone will ask to you how many types of soil is there, then soil is of 3 types, because in class we are learning only 3 common types of the soil. Okay, and what are the 3 types of soil? The 3 types of soil are: one is clayey soil, second is sandy soil, and third is loamy soil. Okay, what is the difference between this clayey, sandy and loamy soil? So we will discuss that. Before that, a part of this, there is one rocky soil also. So rocky soil is only made up of a big boulders. Okay, it is made up of rocks. And the rocky soil is made up of big and small pieces of rocks called gravel. Okay, it cannot hold water, so that big and small piece of rocks are known as gravel. So rocky soil is having gravels in it. Okay, and rocky soil do not hold water. Now one by one, clayey soil. Okay, what is clayey soil? Clayey soil is made up of very fine particles. Clay soil is very sticky and is smooth to touch. You take your garden soil also, you will see very sticky it is. It will stuck in your hand only, and it holds lots of water. Okay, some soil is very sticky. There are very little here in this type of soil. A lot of water can be held by clay soil. So there are very little here, and lots of water they can hold. Okay, so what is the properties of clay soil? These are made up of fine particles. Okay, these are made up of fine particles, very sticky, holds lots of air, holds lots of water, and very little air they are having. Plants need water as well as air also. Okay, not only they need water, they need air also from the soil. So it is not good for growing plants, okay. It is good for growing some type of plants which need more and more water, but it is not good for all types of plants. And this is very, potters used to make pots from the clay soil because they want a sticky soil only, no? They have to make a pot. So potter use this clay soil. So potter makes a pot with the help of clay soil. Now come to a sandy soil. Sandy soil has the largest particle. The particles are loosely packed and there is a lot of air in the spaces between the particle. Sandy soil can hold very little water. Okay. Sandy soil can hold very little water and lots of air. Second is, what is the sandy soil? It is bigger particle than clay soil. Okay. Bigger particles, not very big particles, only bigger than the clay soil. Loosely packed, it is loosely packed, okay. Because it is loosely packed, there is a lots of air in between the particles. So lots of air. And lots of air is there but very less water because water will drain it out. You can do the experiment also at home. So lots of air but holds very less water. So it is also not good for the plant. Plants need water as well as air. Now next is loamy soil. Loamy soil contains both sand and clay, okay. It is a mixture of sandy soil and clay soil. It feels smooth and powdery. When wetted, it is smooth and non-sticky. It retains some water. It can hold lots of material or nutrients required by the plants to grow. Loam mixed with the humus in a good garden soil, okay. So these are the mixture of the fine particles and big particles, okay. So these are the mixture of clay soil and sandy soil. These are made up of clay plus sand, okay. So they can hold water but not too much water. But not too much, okay. They have here also. That is also not too much. And then some loamy soil is mixed with humus. They are having some material. They are having material which is very nutrients. So they are having nutrients plus humus also mixed with it. Humus, you know now what is humus? Dead and decaying plants and animals form humus and it fertile the land only. So it develops, it increases the nutrients of the soil, that humus only. So it is best soil for the growing plants. So what we have discussed today, first we have discussed about the clay soil which potter used to make a pot. Then we have discussed about sandy soil. Then we have discussed about the loamy soil in which plants grow very well. And we know that clay soil are made up of fine particles. It is very sticky, it holds lots of water and very little air. Sandy soil, it's made up of largest particles, means larger than that clay soil, but not very large like gravel, of which rocky soil are formed. So it is made up of bigger particles. You can see the particles of the sandy soil. It is loosely packed, so having lots of air in between the space. When it is loosely packed, there will be the lots of space in between the air. Air can be here and there, and but it retain very less water because when the water we are pouring here now, all are draining down. It is not holding. There is a gap. From the gap, all the water is going down. Okay, so it's hold very less water. Now next is loamy soil. Loamy soil is the mixture of clay and sand. It can hold water as well as here sufficient amount of water also they are having, sufficient amount of air also they are having, which is needed by the plant, and they are having nutrients, and we are mixing humus also. So these are the common type of soil. Thank you children. Have a good day.